Updating your iPhone 16's iOS ensures you have the latest security patches, features, and performance improvements for optimal device functionality. Here's how to manually update your iPhone to the latest iOS version available. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Your iPhone will then start checking for available updates. If an update is found, you will see the update summary. Here, you're given two options to choose from, and that is either to install now or install tonight. If you choose Install Now, your device updates immediately. Otherwise, it sets the update to install overnight while you sleep. Just tap the button of your preferred option and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. Depending on your choice, the update will download and install on your device. Just be sure to keep your iPhone sufficiently charged or have at least 50% of battery life and connected to the internet, preferably via Wi-Fi network, for the update to be successfully installed. And that covers everything in this guide. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.